So basically there was some changes after discussion with the client. They wanted the ground floor to be overall commercial hall. So we were supposed to design the first floor now. We'll arrange the columns, the walls externally as they were on the ground floor. And basically they wanted the front to be the commercial entrance. So it's like a residential entrance from the secondary road. And basically the residence is like on the first floor, so the stairs for the first floor. Below the stairs they wanted a bike parking, a motor space. We renamed the layer, and further we moved towards zoning. And basically we'll do the zoning on the plan. So let's see how we can go with it. From the stairs we have to reach the lounge, and from the lounge we have to further access kitchen, bedrooms and the bedroom. So we'll prefer the bedroom on the corner side, and it's like 30 overall, so 15 by 12 bedroom, and we'll prefer one space from these for the lounge and the other space also for the bedroom, 12 by 14. It's like we require a balcony in the exteriors and the attached bath to the upper bedroom, 8 by 6 bath to the upper bedroom, and access to the bedrooms from the main lounge area. And we prefer kitchen here with the lounge. So we'll give another the other bedroom and exterior sitting too with the attached bath. The exterior space can also be accessible from the kitchen. It's all good. As you can see, the air system from the northwest and the southeast seems really fine. Here we have our basic zoning done for the first floor. Residents will now